Warren Buffett is widely considered the greatest investor of all time. Warren Buffett has been a wealth-building machine since being CEO of Berkshire Hathaway in 1965. He oversees the creation of more than 660 billion in shareholders' value and delivered an aggregate return for his companies. Hello guys, I'm David, back with another new interesting video. You already know the topic. Yes, today's video I'm gonna reveal the fact behind of Warren Buffett loving dividend stocks. Was till the end of this video. Before, in many videos I have discussed about dividend stocks and wish you all know about it very well. Now the question is, why Warren Buffett loves dividend stocks? Warren Buffett, the fifth richest person in the world with net worth of $126 billion. He is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporation is a conglomerate holding company. That means it doesn't produce goods or services. It has a controlling interest and it owns shares of other companies to form a single corporate group. And Warren Buffett loves dividend stocks might be because the dividend add up a huge amounts of cash for Berkshire Hathaway to invest in new projects. Now I am showing you the 3 highest yielding dividend stocks that Warren Buffett involved in. Number 1. Store Capital Corporation. It's a publicly traded American real estate investment trust. They deliver tailored financial solutions to customers. Its dividend yield is 5.21% and it's overvalued stock. Warren Buffett acquired 6.93 million store capital shares worth $220 million. That's 0.07% of their equity portfolio, which is the 36th largest holding. Number 2. Kraft Heinz. The Kraft Heinz company is the 5th largest food and beverage company in the world. Warren Buffett's position in Kraft Heinz is currently worth $10.9 billion. That's 3.62% of their equity portfolio, which is 7th largest holding. Number 3. US Bancorp. US Bancorp is an American bank holding company. 126 million shares of US Bancorp owned by Warren Buffett for a market value of $6.7 billion. It's 1.9%, which is the 9th largest position in the portfolio. Berkshire Hathaway owns 65 companies that include well-known brands like Geico, Dairy Queen, Duracell, Fruit of the Loom, and Oriental Trading. The 4 giants, also referred to as the Big Four, are the 4 companies that make up a large chunk of Berkshire Hathaway value. These are cluster of Berkshire Hathaway insurance companies, Apple, Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad, Berkshire Hathaway Energy. This makes a large portion of its earnings. Berkshire Hathaway owned many companies and their percentage must be noticeable. For example, Berkshire Commercial Mortgage LLC. Berkshire Hathaway owned 50% of this company. Can you imagine? It's 50%. Then it also owned Pilot Travel Centers LLC with 38.6%. Again, it owned Kraft Heinz Company with 26.60% ownerships. Sounds great, right? Yes, that's why he is the great and tricky investor in the world. By now, I think you understand the reason of Warren Buffett loving dividend stocks. He used the huge amounts of cash in Berkshire Hathaway projects. But the interesting fact is, Berkshire Hathaway don't pay any dividends because Buffett doesn't believe that's a good use of cash. Isn't it interesting? Yeah, it is. That's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. To know more like these interesting facts, subscribe to my channel. I will come with another amazing informative video for you. Till then, stay with me.